Welcome back to Primetime News, and a very special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, up first this evening, we begin with some tragic news. A 14-year-old is among 3 dead in a crash along the Greenside Main Road in Trelawny earlier today. The deceased have been identified as Tashanti Jones, 31-year-old Hoydeen Flemings, and 21-year-old Brandon Gordon, all from the parish. Reports from the police are that a Suzuki Vitara and a Toyota Wish were traveling in the same direction, with the Toyota Wish traveling behind. Upon reaching a section of the Greenside Main Road near a car wash, the Suzuki Vitara was reportedly in the process of turning into the car wash when the Toyota Wish began to overtake a line of traffic and collided into the Suzuki Vitara. The driver of the Wish lost control of the vehicle and crashed into a stone wall. He and the occupants of the vehicle were taken to hospital, where they were pronounced dead. The driver has been hospitalized. This is the second tragic incident in Trelawny in months that claimed the lives of multiple individuals. Of course, that's a story we'll continue to track for you.